Life can be unpredictable. If an illness or injury keeps you from working for an extended period, long-term disability insurance can provide crucial financial support. Let's break down what long-term disability insurance is, the benefits it offers, and the conditions it covers. Long-term disability insurance, or LTD, is a policy that replaces a portion of your income, typically 50% to 70%, if you're unable to work due to a non-work-related illness or injury. This benefit helps you pay for everyday expenses like your mortgage, bills, groceries, and more, so you can focus on your recovery instead of worrying about finances. After a waiting period called the elimination period, often 3 to 6 months, your benefits begin. These payments can continue for several years or even until you reach retirement age depending on your policy. Some plans coordinate with short-term disability so there's no gap in coverage. Here are the key benefits of long-term disability insurance. Income replacement. Receive a steady portion of your salary if you can't work. Financial security. Protect your savings and maintain your standard of living. Flexible use. Use the benefit for any expenses, medical bills, daily living costs, or other needs. Peace of mind. Focus on your health and recovery, knowing your finances are protected. Long-term disability insurance covers a wide range of medical conditions that prevent you from working for an extended time. Commonly covered conditions include musculoskeletal disorders, back pain, arthritis, joint disorders, and chronic pain. Cancer, all types, including those requiring lengthy treatment. Cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, heart disease, and related conditions. Mental health disorders, severe anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, and more. Neurological disorders, stroke, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Chronic illnesses, diabetes, lupus, Crohn's disease, chronic fatigue syndrome. Other serious conditions, organ failure, severe injuries, complications from pregnancy. Note, each policy is different, so always review your plan for specific covered conditions and exclusions. Pre-existing conditions are often not covered. To qualify for benefits, you'll need medical documentation proving your condition prevents you from working. Some policies pay if you can't do your own job, while others require that you can't do any job. You may need to provide ongoing proof of your disability to continue receiving benefits. Long-term disability insurance is a powerful safety net, helping you and your loved ones stay financially secure during difficult times. For more details, talk to your benefits advisor or insurance provider to find the policy that's right for you.